Hello, this is the Hesabujuna sharing journaling prompts for manifestation. To get more powerful results from this journaling, do the vibrational sequence. Prior to this are from Raise Your Vibrational Frequency to Manifest Fast 7-Day Challenge. You can find it at thehesa.com/vibration. To start, please find yourself a quiet space in your home. Sit comfortably and start writing on these prompts. Feel free to pause whenever you need more time to complete your journaling on any of the topics. Here is your first topic for journaling today. What do I really want? What do I really want? Reflect on it and just write down. What do I really want? Just write freely. Do not restrict yourself. What do I really want? Then the next prompt is this. What am I opening myself up to create and to receive this month? Or you can choose this week, but give yourself a time frame. What am I opening myself up to create and receive this month or this week? In other words, what do I choose to create this month or this week? Then the next prompt is, what are the reasons I believe it's not possible for me? What beliefs do I have around me not being able to receive or create? What is it that I choose to create? Is this true? Are there instances where this wasn't true? Do I know anyone who has accomplished this, even though they had the same limitation as me? Argue with yourself. Argue with your own limiting beliefs. Find a logic why this is possible for you. Then say to yourself, I am ready. I am ready. I am ready to receive what I'm asking for. I'm ready to receive and create what I have chosen to create. Then keep that image of what you have chosen to create burning in your mind. Take a deep breath in and exhale out through your mouth. Inhale deeply and exhale out through your mouth. Please share your awareness in the comments below. And also visit thehesa.com/vibration for all the sequences of this challenge. See you in the next video.